So this is the MasterTrack BT telescopic. This is a modular system, maximum glass weights of 120 kilos. You have 2-leaf or 3-leaf panels, such as what we've got here in the showroom. You can have it in one opening direction, you can have 2 opening directions. You can then have it from being not only telescopic, but you can also include a synchronous converter. So as you pull the doors on one side, the doors on the other side will synchronously open at the same time and close. You can also build in the soft close mechanisms into the top tracks. So this is the telescopic. The telescopic incorporates a floating floor guide to keep all the glass panels in line with one another. You can also incorporate the soft close mechanism in either direction. This is a standard telescopic without the soft close. And the way that works, there is a running belt which attaches the middle panel to your final panel. So as one panel is moving, one panel you can see actually moves a little bit faster than the middle panel. So at the end point, they all meet up beautifully aligned. Space saving is probably one of the biggest reasons for deciding on a sliding door rather than any form of pivot door. As it can go up to 3 leaves, it will allow you to cover over a larger expanse. Light, transparency through the use of glass. So in terms of glass, standard 8, 10 or 12 mil toughened glass. You could then obviously choose to have that opaque, sandblasted, and that could be in any different variant or patterns from your local glass supplier.